and welcome back to the Slime Lab. So today we're going to be doing an underrated slime shop review. I would just like to let you guys know in advance that I will be going to camp, to sleepaway camp for a month. So videos will still be being posted, but I will not be there to like your comments and respond. So I just want to let you guys know that if you feel like I'm being inactive. But I promise I will go live as soon as I get out of camp and before I go. I hope you will watch this video still. They'll still be amazing. Also, I just would like to inform you guys that my reviews from now on will be in a different style. My normal style, my special style that I used to do before I did like Talisa's style. So I'm going back to my old style filming because some of you guys did not like my new one. But it's still good videos, and my shop still has a few slimes left. If you would like to purchase before Friday, because I will be closing my shop Friday morning. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the slime video. So guys, I have one more announcement just before we get into the video. I will be attending RL Slime's Sonoma Slime Fest in Sonoma, California. So if you would like your tickets to see me sell, I will be selling there for the first time ever, a public selling appearance. The tickets will be linked down below. So yeah. The first shop that we have is Star Trail Slimes, and the first slime we have is their Star Butter. This slime is a very creamy and thick butter slime. It is very sizzly, and it is a neon yellow slime. It is also very bubbly and creamy. It has small thwacks and is very spreadable and stretchy and makes great bubble pops. It was a little sticky when it arrived, but it's okay because it's the summertime. I rate this slime a 9.5 out of 10. It is a very fluffy, thick, and creamy butter slime, but it did smell a little bit like shaving cream, and it did deflate very fast, so that's just something to think about. Don't add shaving cream. There might not be shaving cream, but it definitely deflated fast. Now this next one is gorgeous. This one is Yellow Pixie. It is a clear based slime, and it has yellow glitter and some iridescent flakes. It is a little sticky, so I'm just going to activate it. This slime is a super thick and clicky clear-based slime. It has some iridescent glitter shards and has some silver glitter and some yellow pigment glitter. It is very thwacky and makes great bubble pops. It is unscented to preserve the clarity, and this is my favorite one in the whole package. Then the last slime that we have from Star Trail Slimes is Rose Petal. I believe this slime is a butter slime. It is very thick. It is stretchy, but it's not super stretchy. It does have a slight rose. It is super creamy though. It does make thwacks. It's not a full butter slime. I think it's around like a sleigh slime, but it is kind of stiff. But I still like it. And it makes great bubble pops. I rate this one a 8 out of 10. No offense to the slime makers. It's not my favorite. I don't like the scent. That's just my opinion. and it is a little stiff, but other than that, it's a great slime, and I definitely recommend purchasing from Star Trail Slimes. They were very generous with their extras. They included an activator bottle, some red glitter, 2 Jolly Ranchers, but I ate one, an invoice for what they sent. They did send another slime, it just dried up, so that's why I didn't show it. Then they also included a packet of microfoam, styrofoam, and a thank you note with their Instagram on it. That is very, very sweet and nice. This first slime is New York style cheesecake, and the next shop we have is Slimes by KitKat. This shop I found through one of my favorite Instagram Slimers, and we are mutuals on Instagram, and this is his aunt's slime shop, Unicorn Slime Shops. You probably already know who it is. It's Slime by KitKat. So the first slime we have is New York style cheesecake, and it is very thick and very glossy. It smells just like New York style cheesecake, like the actual thing. This is, I think, a glue base because it reminds me of her nephew, Joseph Anthony's Chanel. And this slime is so thick, like so thick, so glossy. This is the glossiest of all, and has amazing bubble pops. Also, the scent is literally so realistic. Like, you guys have to go snatch from her. Her shop is linked down below, like everything else. And her slimes are still in stock, which is crazy, but definitely go snatch from her. For extras, KitKat put her extra bag in this nice pink bag. She included a lollipop, her business card, and some borax, and a KitKat because Slimes by KitKat. But my sister stole the KitKat. Here's the lollipop. This is her business card, Slime by KitKat. Has some slime care and her Instagram. And then the borax. So the last shop that we have is SlimeBytheSea. This is Caroline. She's one of my good Instagram friends. She's my I don't know, IFB or something. I don't know. Okay, and it is this first slime is Oreo milk from SlimeBytheSea. This is her best seller. It is a super thick glue-all based slime. It has black glitters to represent the crushed Oreos and like a milkshake, and it is super thick and super glossy. It has a unique and special texture. And the scent is spot on. It smells just exactly like Oreos. And the scent gives it a special texture. That's what Caroline told me. And it's super thick, glossy, and very thwacky and bubble poppy. This next one is Oreo Boba Tea. It is Oreo milk with some boba foam beads. So just some black foam beads to represent boba. And it is the same exact thing as Oreo milk, and it has the same texture, super thick and super glossy, but this one is a little bit more creamy. This next one is Sweet Summer Lemonade. It is a clear-based slime. It is a figly slime that is like a new texture for thick and jiggly. It has pink and yellow foam beads and some lemon Fimo slices. It's super thick. It is a little bit jiggly, but that's okay, and it smells just like lemonade. The last slime that I have from Caroline is Sea Glass. This slime is a super thick, clear slime, no jiggle at all. It has some blue charms and some other sea glass type charms to represent sea glass. It has some blue glitters to represent the sea and some blue glitter pigment for the sea again. It is unscented to preserve clarity and is super thick and thwacky. and it has great bubble pops. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like down below, a comment, and a subscribe. A 5K giveaway will be coming soon later this month. And thank you guys for getting me to 5K. I love you all. And don't forget, guys, I will be attending Slime Bash 2. And I have a huge announcement. As of now, I will be attending Sonoma Slime Fest as a seller. So if you would like your tickets, go down below and they will be linked there. So again, thank you for watching and bye guys!